Well, we've made a little progress on the Evinrude boat motor. I've got both the cylinder jugs off, kind of inspecting everything to see what's wrong, and there's a lot of things wrong. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get this engine to run. It's pretty much a parts engine. It's got a lot of problems. When I got the cylinders off, this piston, the bottom of it's broken off. There's a ring that goes around here, piston ring, and the bottom of it's broken. I didn't find any parts inside the engine at all, so I don't know where it went. I think somebody's been in here monkeying around before, because I'm not sure if these are the correct rings. There's no stops on this piston, and this engine was designed for some stops on the piston rings. I'll show you on this piston here. There's a little pin right here that keeps the ring from turning on the piston. Now this piston here from the other side is even worse shape. Something has got in there and pounded down on this ring groove here and broke the top ring. And I could only get half the ring out. You can see there the piston ring's broken. So this little engine had a pretty hard life. I was able to take the carburetor or mixer off and got everything loosened up. I got all the plugs out, all the jets cleaned out. This is probably the best part of the whole engine. It's got a cork float in here. The fuel lever goes up, the cork goes up and shuts the fuel off. But everything looked okay in there, so that's surprising. This is a cylinder that had the broken piston ring in it. It doesn't look too bad. It's not scored up or anything. But the cylinder on the other side is in bad shape. You can see right here where the water jacket froze. It's all broken out around the bottom of it. But the inside where the piston runs up and down is not broken. There evidently was a muffler on this engine at one time and it was missing. This side where the muffler bolts on was full of mud dauber nests, sand and grit. I cleaned all that out. And this is the plumbing for the water cooling system. So I don't know how we're going to proceed with this. I took the studs out of the block so I could make a new gasket. The gaskets are the same, only one's upside down compared to the other. So I'm going to make some new paper gaskets and try to get this thing to maybe kind of run. I've got spark, I cleaned the points off, checked the magneto, or checked the condenser in the coil, and then spun it over, and I do have spark. So that's encouraging. But this rest of the engine is pretty tough shape. If I can get it to pop a couple times, I'll be happy. I still haven't been able to figure out the model number or the year of this engine. I'm still trying to decipher the serial number. That's where we're at today, June the 16th, 2026. Thanks for watching. If you've got any comments or questions, please add them below. That's all for today.